today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add funds in Uber. So first of all, you're going to have to launch your Uber application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now select account section on your bottom right hand side. As I do that, you will see a page like this. In here, you will also see wallet. So tap on wallet. And likewise, under payment methods, you're going to have to select add payment methods. It'll give you some options. In my case, it is showing credit or debit card and gift card. If you would like to load your funds from gift card, select this. If not, select credit or debit card. For security purposes, you might not be able to see that screen of mine, but at that section, you're going to have to enter your card detail, like your account number and your CVV. And once you do that, save it. And likewise, that is how you can easily load funds. If you would like, you may go ahead, simply click on that page and simply, load fund. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.